Hey there, future financial achievers. Welcome back to Road to Financial Freedom channel. Imagine waking up every morning without the weight of financial worries on your shoulders. Do you dream of a life where money is no longer a source of stress and worry? If so, then you're not alone. Millions of people around the world struggle with financial insecurity. But what if there was a way to break free from this cycle? Picture having the freedom to pursue your passions, travel the world, and secure a bright future for your loved ones. In this eye-opening video, we'll unveil the 10 secrets to financial freedom, guiding you to a life of financial empowerment and limitless possibilities. Now let's get started on the 10 steps to financial freedom.
Life's unexpected curveballs, like a sudden house or car repair bills, can leave us feeling overwhelmed and financially vulnerable. But imagine a world where these bills are mere inconveniences, easily paid without a second thought. This is the essence of financial freedom, where unexpected costs are minor blips on your financial radar, where you have the peace of mind to make choices without financial constraints. It's a dream many crave, but it often feels elusive. This is why we've compiled 10 simple yet powerful steps to guide even beginners towards financial freedom. So, let's dive in and embark on this journey. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more financial wisdom. Step 1. Know your current financial situation. The first step to financial freedom is to understand where you currently stand financially. This means taking stock of what you own and what you owe. It's like setting your financial GPS. While it might be unsettling to discover your debt or minimal savings, acknowledging your starting point is pivotal. Start by listing your debts, including mortgages, credit card balances, student loans, and loans from friends. Calculate your total debt, and if your debt is minimal, that's fantastic. After evaluating your debts, take stock of your assets, including funds and investments. Consider your regular income sources, like your salary or earnings from side hustles. This understanding becomes your financial compass, guiding your decisions and keeping you on track to your financial goals. Step 2. Set realistic financial goals. Success in any field requires setting clear goals, and finances are no different. Financial goals aren't just about a specific number in your bank account. They also encompass vital objectives like eliminating debt or saving for retirement. Whether it's short-term needs or long-term dreams, setting goals provides direction and purpose. To chart your path, ask yourself how much money you want in the future. Consider your immediate goals, like buying your dream car or starting a business, as well as long-term aspirations, such as retiring comfortably or funding your child's education. Identifying these objectives, estimating the resources and time required to achieve them, and detailed planning are essential. Step 3. Create a monthly budget. Budgeting is key to financial stability. Without it, you might find yourself wondering where your money disappeared every month. True financial freedom isn't about reckless spending, it's about making decisions without financial restrictions. A popular budgeting strategy is to allocate 50% to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings or debt repayment rules. Even if your financial situation improves, keep budgeting to adapt to changes. Financial freedom requires personal discipline, just as great achievements come from dedication and planning. Luckily, various online tools can assist you in getting started. Step 4. Get rid of your bad debts. Clearing your bad debts is a crucial step toward financial freedom. Think of your bad debts as shackles holding you back from achieving your financial goals. Eliminating these shackles not only brings peace of mind but also opens doors to new financial opportunities. Credit card bills, student loans, car loans, it's time to bid them farewell. Your income is your most potent tool for wealth building, and if a large chunk goes toward bad debt payments, you can't fully enjoy your money. Start by figuring out the extent of your bad debt, including due dates, monthly payments, and interest rates. There are two popular bad debt repayment strategies to consider: the debt snowball and the debt avalanche. The most effective one aligns with your motivation and financial situation. In the debt snowball method, you prioritize paying off your smallest debts first, regardless of the interest rates on those debts. In the debt avalanche method, you prioritize paying off debts with the highest interest rates first, regardless of the outstanding balance. The ultimate goal is to reduce and eventually eliminate your bad debt. Step 5. Create automatic savings. Focus on saving for the future and start investing while paying off bad debt. Start working on your retirement plan. Automatically put money aside for emergencies and regularly save in a brokerage account. Schedule transfers on payday to avoid spending impulsively. Choose the right emergency fund size for you. Remember, retirement accounts have rules on when you can take money out. Keep your emergency funds in different places for flexibility. Step 6. Invest strategically. Successful investing involves informed decisions, not random stock picking. Diversify by investing in index funds, real estate, and precious metals. Begin early to benefit from compound interest. Embrace market fluctuations as part of the journey. Explore user-friendly online brokerages with education and tools for regular contributions. Step 7. Prioritize your health. Taking care of your physical health benefits both your body and your finances. Regular doctor and dentist checkups and a healthy lifestyle can prevent or manage many health issues. Neglecting your health can result in lost income, higher insurance costs, and early retirement with reduced monthly income. Prioritizing your health is a no-brainer, as it safeguards both your physical and financial future. Step 8. Ensure adequate insurance. Insurance is a vital financial safety net, protecting your earnings from unforeseen events and serving as a defense against challenges to your financial security. Explore different types of insurance, such as life, auto, home, health, long-term disability, long-term care, identity theft, and umbrella policies. If unsure about the right coverage, consult an insurance expert for guidance, ensuring informed decisions and avoiding unnecessary expenses. Step 9. Keep learning about financial freedom. Staying informed about finances is crucial. Stay updated on tax laws and financial news. Monitor stock markets and economic trends. Being informed guards against scams, especially for inexperienced investors. Consult a financial advisor for wise wealth management. Step 10. Choose your career wisely. Your career choice significantly impacts your wealth-building journey. If your current job lacks growth and satisfaction, think about making a change. Opt for a career that aligns with your financial goals and brings you joy. Consider your vision for the next decade and choose a job that supports it. A lower starting salary is acceptable if there's potential for increased earnings with gained skills. Look for a job that fosters personal and professional growth, aligns with your interests, and provides benefits like retirement savings and health insurance. Thoughtfully choose a career, as it can shape your long-term financial plans. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced saver, this journey is open to all. So, let's take those first steps together, with confidence and determination, as we explore the road to financial freedom. Your journey begins now. Be sure to hit that subscribe button for more financial education content like this. And share this video with anyone who needs it. Thanks for watching.